So now we're at a close-up view of our client's back. So again, we use the ball. So the ball goes right on in. Power. This is power level 1. So see, power level 1 is nice and gentle. It's not heavy as the other massage guns on the market where they're kind of brutal. But some people need that brutality. But let's just say some people don't need that, and they just need a nice, relaxing massage when they come home. Right around the neck, shoulder area. This is what you need. I'm going to go to a higher level. And see how it sticks to the clothing a little bit because the ball is soft and it likes to gather clothes. But we're going to go to a view to where we don't have the clothes on, and you'll see it work differently. And then lastly, the highest level. Turn it off. And the other heads work exactly the same way. So let's say for the neck area, that Y-shaped head, we've seen the arms, let's see it work on the neck. So the neck area, I'm gonna pull the shirt down a little bit and head to the side a little bit, perfect. So now we turn it on, level 1, right in between the neck area. See, perfect. Do a little wiggle and shake. Get all up in there to the occipital ridge and back of the head. Oh yeah, we all got tension, migraines, headaches, husbands, boyfriends, all that good stuff will bring you pain. Or if it's a girlfriend or wifey, they can give you problems too. Or a pain in the neck like your job. Or COVID-19, past idiot president, number 45, they can all be a pain in your neck. So what you need to do is get rid of that pain. I'm gonna up the level, power level. Ooh, turn it off, I'm gonna up the level. There we go. Now see how the Y is right in between the vertebrae. C1 through C7, your cervical vertebrae. Vertebrae goes all the way down to the sacrum, cranial, sacral. So in between here, you can always twist and go down. Not so much a twist, but just a rotation almost, from side to side. just nice and gentle. We don't want to put any pressure on the person's neck. The massage gun is doing all that work for you. So you don't really have to go all the way in, hurting somebody's neck. No, no, no. Just let the massage gun do all the work. And let's go up another level. Oh yeah, the base of that neck right here, like C7, C6, C7. It gets kind of funky. And you go all the way down in between the vertebrae. Getting those rotatory muscles, those multifidi muscles, or multifidus, however you choose to pronounce it in the Latin, tongue. Oh, get those muscles. That's right. Put in that work. If your man's hands gets tired, or your girlfriend, boyfriend, whoever it may be, you can say, nope, get the massage gun. Let the massage gun do the work. So that excuse is no more. And that's pretty much your closer view of the heads in the mini massage gun.